Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp desktop app not opening on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and find WhatsApp on your taskbar, then right click on it and tap on exit. Type down the % of local app data, and then open up this folder. Now, here, search for the WhatsApp folder. If WhatsApp is available, just go ahead and select it and delete it. After that, click on the Start menu. Tap on Installed Apps. In the search bar right here, search for WhatsApp. Click on three dots right here and click on Advanced Options. Now here, scroll down and click on Terminate. And after that, click on Repair. Wait for the process to finish. Once that's done, go ahead and test it out. Open up WhatsApp. Now it will work. Close WhatsApp. Close it right here as well. Now tap on Terminate. Then go ahead and click on Reset, and then wait for the process to finish, and after that, go and find WhatsApp and check if it works. Soon it will work. If not, then go and click on Terminate, and then uninstall. And once it's uninstalled, let's go ahead over to WhatsApp Web. Open up your favorite browser and search for WhatsApp. And here we have downloaded WhatsApp. Just download it from here, and once done, install it. And after that, everything should work perfectly fine. Now that is how to fix the WhatsApp desktop app not opening on Windows 10 or 11. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment on it.